You know, there's something about the combination of almond, makhana, and dates that just feels like a little miracle in a glass. I mean, think about it. We're living in a world where energy drinks are everywhere, but most of them are packed with artificial ingredients, sugar, and who knows what else. But then you have this beautiful blend, this natural energy drink that not only fuels your body, but also nourishes it. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, I got you. Let's start with almonds. They're not just a snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrients. You pop a few in your mouth, and suddenly you're giving your body a boost of vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. It's like a little hug for your heart. And let's not forget the protein. It's the kind of energy that doesn't crash and burn. It's sustained, steady, like a gentle wave rather than a tidal wave. You drink it and you feel your brain firing on all cylinders. It's as if the fog lifts, and suddenly you're ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Now let's talk about makhana, or fox nuts as some call them. They're not just a trendy snack. They're a traditional superfood that's been used for centuries. These little puffs are light and airy, but don't let that fool you. They're packed with antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. It's like they're working behind the scenes, fighting off the bad stuff while you go about your day. And the best part? They're low in calories, so you can indulge without the guilt. When you add makhana to this energy drink, it's like you're sprinkling in a little magic. You sip it, and you can almost feel the vitality coursing through your veins. And then we have dates. Oh, the humble date, sweet, chewy, and utterly delightful. They're nature's candy, but they also come with a treasure trove of benefits. They're rich in fiber, which is fantastic for digestion, and they provide a quick source of energy thanks to their natural sugars. It's like a burst of sunshine in your mouth. When you blend dates into this drink, you're not just sweetening it, you're adding a depth of flavor that's hard to resist. It's a reminder that healthy can be delicious. You take a sip, and it's like a warm embrace, wrapping you in comfort while energizing you at the same time. Now imagine combining all these elements into one drink. You take a moment to blend them together, and what you get is a symphony of flavors and benefits. It's not just about quenching your thirst, it's about fueling your body with goodness. You're not just drinking, you're nourishing yourself. It's a ritual, a moment of self-care in a busy world. You can feel the energy rising within you, a gentle surge that propels you forward. And let's not overlook the mental clarity that comes with it. In a society that often feels chaotic, this drink offers a moment of peace. You sip it and suddenly the noise fades away. You can think clearly, focus on what matters, and tackle your tasks with renewed vigor. It's like a reset button for your mind and body. So the next time you're reaching for that sugary energy drink, consider this alternative. Almond, makhana, and dates. 3 simple ingredients that come together to create something extraordinary. It's not just a drink, it's a celebration of health, a testament to what nature can provide. You're not just choosing energy, you're choosing vitality, wellness, and a little bit of joy in every sip. And honestly, isn't that what we all need?